Yeah, so guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you guys exactly how you can register on the Phenom platform. If you know that you've been hearing of Phenom but you don't know how to register, I will teach you to do it. For you to register on Phenom, this is how the process works. Let me go ahead and log out from this account, so I'll teach you how it works. Now you see here where it says register, and I'm going to click on register. Now once I click on it, you can see it takes me straight to this plate. Now it says full name. I can put in Samuel Edwin. That's for the sake of this tutorial. Now the email, I can put in something random like blah 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 at gmail.com. You understand? Now the username, I can choose any username I want. I can put in Samuel Edwin at, or let's put $ and okay, that's the username. Then I can select the country. You can see the available country that can register on Phenom. We have the Cameroon, Ghana, Ivory Coast, Nigeria, and Uganda. But I am from Nigeria, so I'm gonna click on Nigeria. So I'm gonna put in my password. I can put in anything, you understand. Then I put in my phone number. Put in my phone number here. Once I put in, let me just put something random. Let's say this is my phone number. Then here where it says select plan, I'm gonna click on Phenom. Then I'll click on this checkbox so that they can check it for me. Then you can see here where it says coupon code. This is where you get stalked. Okay, now I know a lot of you don't know how to get a coupon code. That is why I'm recording this video. All you have to do is to chat the number you can see on the screen right now. Once you chat me, I'm gonna put you through on how you can get a coupon code. And mind you, the coupon code is not free. Before you come to my DM and say, oh, give me this coupon code for free, please, this coupon code is not free. We do purchase it, okay? And the coupon code is 8,000 naira, but I will give the first 10 people to register a discount. Instead of paying 8,000 naira, you'll be paying just 7,500 naira once you chat the number I can see on screen and message me for your registration process. You understand? Now I'm gonna go ahead and log into my one of my accounts. You understand? Once I log into one of my accounts, I'll show you guys something. Now I can see this is one of my account. Okay, now you can see here, this is how it works. Number one, once you register, your account is going to look like this. All you have to do is to click on where it says daily task. Once you click on it, you see here where it says Phenom claim and daily and reward rush. All you have to do is to click on where it says reward rush. Once you click on it, it's going to put up this interface for you. All you have to do is to click on here where it says review reward. Now I'm gonna reveal the reward. Okay, now it's gonna take me to somewhere to complete, either to, you can see it took me to Telegram to join someone's Telegram channel. So I'm gonna click on join channel right now. While it loads up, if you know this is your first time seeing me here on YouTube, my name is Samuel. You can call me Samuel the Hustler or Samuel the Bag Chaser. All I do is I make videos about some trending sites and how you can make quick money for yourself. Okay, so if you love the way I'm teaching you, please don't forget to like and please subscribe to my channel because I'm trying to grow. Let's head to 1K, guys. Let's go. Please don't forget, give me a like. I really appreciate it. And if you feel like I'm doing something wrong, there's something that I've done wrong, please don't forget to let me know down in the comments so that I can make amends on my next video. Okay, now thank you. So I'm gonna click on join right now. Once I click on join, I'm gonna go back to my Phenom. You can see it says $1 rewarded. Okay, this is what I'll be claiming every day. Now once this $1 accumulates to $49, they're going to transfer it to my bank account straight up. Okay, now this is just for today. Okay, in my next video I'll be teaching you guys exactly how to borrow money on Phenom. If you want to know exactly how to borrow money on Phenom, all you have to do is just to subscribe. Once you subscribe, you turn on the post notification so that whenever I drop the video, you'll be the first to watch, guys. See you guys. Peace.